We're back again with another recipe, and today we got some hot honey lemon pepper tenders.
Yay! Let's get it. Right?
So right here we have about 2 pounds of tenders, pre-washed, off cam, because nobody wants dirty chicken.
Exactly.
That's disgusting.
Don't want to get sick. Okay, never mind. They tell you take the chicken out of the package and the hot oil is going to kill the bacteria. No. Wash everything from what? Start to finish. Exactly. All right, so first thing we're going to do with these tenders is
add some oil.
Why are we adding the oil?
So that way the seasoning can stick onto it.
Exactly. Adding the oil is going to allow the seasoning to not only stick to the chicken, but it's also going to help with the marinating process. And most importantly, it's going to allow the seasoning to spread evenly and much easily onto the chicken. All right, first thing we're going to hit the chicken off with is going to be some
salt.
Well, you know what? We're going to be adding adobo. Okay, so we're going to scale back on the salt. But nevertheless, if you don't have adobo, you could use salt.
Could use salt and pepper.
Exactly, salt and ground black pepper. So for now, it's just the salt. I'm going to help you because your hands is a little dirty with the oil. All right, so we're adding a couple pinches of ground black pepper. Let's add some garlic powder. Okay. Okay, perfect. Don't mind us, there's a party in the backyard, so everybody's chilling. Okay. So yeah, we're making our hot honey tenders, or should I say hot honey lemon tenders, and that's gonna go good with the party vibes. We're also gonna add some onion powder. Measured it. Okay, perfect. So far we have the ground black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Let's go in with some adobo. That's gonna give it a nice flavor. Okay, that's it. We're also gonna add some sazon. All right, and the sazon is definitely gonna amplify the flavors as well.
And it's gonna add a little bit some color.
Exactly.
It's gonna give it like a orange kind of color.
Right. Mix it up really good. We're gonna also add some
AP seasoning, cooking with Tammy.
That's right. This right here, now this is gonna amplify the flavors of this chicken. You get me?
And no sodium.
And it's low sodium, exactly. Mix it up really good. In the meanwhile, make sure you turn that stove on and get the pot ready with some oil. Now here's the thing, if you have a skillet, you can rock out with using a skillet, right? Or you could honestly use I want to say, you know what, you could use an air fryer as well. But if you want to add, if you want to use like maybe like a skillet, regular pot, add some oil to it, you definitely can. Anything works, okay? Quick and easy meals, nothing complicated and stressful. All right. We're going to add some of our
flour and cornstarch.
Well, that's actually cornstarch. And this is baking soda. All right, before I forget, you keep combining. We're gonna add an egg as well. However, if you don't want to add the egg, you don't have to. All right, this part is totally optional. But I want our chicken to be nice and golden brown, especially when we start to dredge it with the flour. And I want it to have that nice little crispy outer shell going on. You know what I'm saying? So that's why we're adding the egg. Perfect. Ooh, that looks good and it smells good. All right, and at this point in time, we're gonna add, you know what? Oh, I almost forgot, y'all. Well, y'all didn't tell me. You're gonna add some hot sauce, all right? Add your favorite brand of hot sauce. Don't matter what it is, or just add what you have on hand. And let's make it happen, all right? Okay. Gonna add a couple dashes of hot sauce.
Because don't forget, we still gotta use that as our sauce.
And
for the combination.
Guess what?
What?
This right here is not going to make your chicken spicy. What it is going to do is it's going to create that nice little acidity contrast. It's going to definitely make the flavors even better. It's not, you're not going to be able to taste it. All right, that's perfect. That looks good so far. We're going to hit it with,
you can smell it too.
you're going to hit it with some flour. And it really good. All right, that's good. Okay, right? Yeah, you're going to hit it with some flour. And in the meanwhile, Prince is going to work on heating up that oil.
I might as well take over.
We're just going to continue to dredge our chicken lightly in the flour, of course. All right, this is what we need right here. All right, see how it's lightly floured?
Looks crispy.
Right? It looks crispy already, right? And I'm going to lay it here on our, bring that
bacon
in.
sheet.
Mm-hmm.
On a bacon pan, actually.
Exactly. Lay it right here on our cooling rack, aka baking sheet. All right, we're going to continue to do this off camera. As I said before, all we're doing is lightly dredging the chicken. And once we're done, the oil should be nice and hot, and I'm going to show you how to fry it up. And Prince is going to show you how to make that delicious, what sauce are you making?
Hot honey lemon pepper.
Exactly, lemon pepper. Hot stepper, baby. Guess what? We finished dredging our chicken. I just wanted to show you really quickly what it looks like.
Looking all nice and crispy.
That's gorgeous, right? Looking beautiful.
When heating up your oil, you got to make sure that it's between 350 and 375.
Exactly. All right, let's go. We're going to add our chicken to this hot oil. Place it in.
Nicely.
Yep. Go plump it in. Come on, let's go quickly. I'm ready to eat. That's all right. That's all right. We're deep frying, so we're not, but we're deep frying the chicken, yes, so we're not going to overcrowd the pan too much because we want to keep that temperature at 350 to 375. However, let's see, we do have some more space, so we could add a couple more pieces of chicken. We're going to end up frying our chicken in 2 batches, all right? So this is going to be the first batch, and after it's nice and brown, of course, we're going to take it out and place it onto the cooling rack. And the reason why we're going to place our crispy fried chicken tenders onto the cooling rack is simple.
Because it's going to be extremely oily and we got to let it drain off.
Exactly. You want, yes, you want all of that excess oil to drain off in order for the chicken to maintain its nice crispy crust, all right? Which everybody likes when it comes down to chicken, fried chicken.
Crispy.
Crispy, baby. Frying the chicken tenders because they're really thin. It should take about, I want to say,
less than 5 minutes.
Yeah, about 4 to 5 minutes. He's right. Listen to the chef, okay? Big Prince knows what he's talking about. All right, we're not going to harass the chicken too much. No need to really flip because we are deep frying. Anyway, we'll come back once the first batch is finished. And yeah, that's about it. I know Prince has been MIA on this channel for quite some time. After the second video, he's been missing, but I'm going to let him tell you why he's been missing.
Been enjoying my summer break, been traveling, you know, going places, playing the game with my friends.
Exactly. Yeah. And now we're having a get together outside, so we almost wasn't able to make a video, but as you can see, we decided to turn on the camera.
Let's still make it.
Exactly. Yeah, so our chicken is almost done. Actually, oh my goodness, the aroma, it smells really, really good.
You know it's not even done yet.
Okay, I see your chicken.
But it is golden brown.
Golden brown and pretty. Goodness. All right, I think it's fair enough to say we could take our tenders out. It looks really pretty. All right, woo! Look at this golden brown baby right here. This is nice. Okay. Hold that for a second. Hold that for a second. I'm going to switch this right here because the raw chicken was on this, right? So we're going to swap it out. We got a brand new cooling rack. We're going to rest it right here.
Look at that chicken.
No, that chicken is pretty. Tell me, when have you seen chicken this gorgeous? Look at this. He said never. All right, at this point in time, now that Prince pretty much has all of the chicken removed from the hot oil, we're going to allow the oil to come back up to temperature, all right? We want that oil, once again, between 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to allow it at least another 2 minutes, check the temperature, and once that oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our second batch of chicken. All right, it's been about a minute so far. Temperature is where it needs to be. If you're not sure about the temperature of the chicken, when it comes to cooking, all you need to do is purchase a thermometer. Couple bucks, to be honest with you.
Yeah, less than $5.
Purchase a thermometer and stick the chicken. Obviously, you're gonna stick the thermometer in the oil to make sure that it's between that temperature range that I mentioned earlier. And once your chicken is done, if you feel like, oh my God, you're a little bit skeptical, and let's say you may be making, instead of chicken tenders, which is really tender, chicken breast, right?
Or wings.
Right. You could take thermometer and stick it inside the chicken, and once it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit,
then that means it's cooked fully.
Cooked all the way through, and you could indulge as much as you want to. Gonna let this chicken do what it do. Once this second batch is done, we're gonna come back set, ready to go, in preparation of making our delicious hot honey lemon pepper sauce. Once this, before we add the sauce, who wants this? No.
Since we got a good amount of chicken, we're gonna put in a stick of butter. We're gonna stir it all around so that way all the butter can get around the pan
and get nice and melted. All right, that's cool.
We're gonna add our hot sauce, our red hot sauce.
That's good. Thank you. Add some honey. The honey is gonna give it that sweetness,
and it's gonna
so it's gonna balance out the acidity and the spice. We're also gonna add some lemon pepper. How could it be lemon pepper anything if we don't add the lemon pepper, right?
The main ingredient.
All right, sauce is nice and bubbly. What we're gonna do at this point is we're gonna allow the sauce to slightly thicken up. Now, the reason for adding the honey is not only to create that contrast of sweet, right? But it's also gonna help with the thickening process of the sauce. If you don't have honey, add brown sugar. Either or will work perfectly fine. Now we're cooking on
medium heat.
Exactly, medium heat. You don't want your sauce to burn, and you want your sauce to do what it do. Take its time in order for all of the spices and everything to break down and intertwine and become one, okay?
So we did a quick taste test off camera, and we're gonna add a little bit more honey.
Add a good amount of honey. Because I taste the lemon pepper and I taste the spiciness, but I'm not tasting the sweet. Okay. All right, let's go. Tell me what's your favorite type of chicken, all right?
What's your favorite?
My all types of chicken. I love you. Number one favorite would have to be Thai chili wings from Hula Hands. Probably Thai chili. I love buffalo wings as well. I love hot wings. I just like all types of wings. And it's cool when you can be creative with your wings and just
make more than one wing.
Exactly. So I'm all about the flavor. Plus, we love lemon pepper by itself and garlic parm, Parmesan garlic parm.
Top 5.
Yes. So it's hard for me to choose, but leave in the comment section which one is your favorite sauce when it comes down to the wings. Is it like a hot honey situation? Hot honey lemon pepper, barbecue, right? Barbecue, buffalo.
My favorite.
You love buffalo. Goodness gracious, the boy could eat some buffalo chicken. All right, look at our sauce. But once it starts to stick to the back of the spoon, you go ahead and turn that sauce off. We are good to go. Let's add our chicken to the bowl. Let's do this real quick because I'm super excited. And I am salivating. I'm going to leave these pieces without sauce. All right, who's going to do the honorary drizzle? Who's going to do it? You do it? All right. All right, let's get this sauce onto this chicken. See that sauce? Ooh-wee. Let's just take a moment to admire this beauty.
And it's still done too.
This is good. We're gonna scrape oil. See all that goodness that was stuck in the pan? What? That's about a 1/4 cup of sauce. Let's go. Get that sauce out of this pan. Every bit of sauce at this point counts. All right, Prince is gonna shake it up.
Shaking this stuff is like an exercise.
Shake it. Perfect, perfect. Let me see what we got. You know what? Should I shake it one good time?
Yeah, you
yes.
can shake it one good
Let's
time.
get it. All right. Let's see what we got. Ooh, that's pretty. Yes, baby. Can't wait to plate this up. I can't wait to plate it up.
Chicken.
All right, let's go. Woo.
That's all hints of everything.
Tell me what restaurant is serving it up like this. This is good.
They can't compete.
This is good. Look at that drizzle. Look at that sauce drizzle.
KFC and
Boy.
Popeyes ain't got nothing on this.
What you said? Let's go in for the ultimate taste test because listen, I can't wait. All right, I know it's hot, but I'm gonna go in anyway.
Mmm.
Not even over seasoned, not salty. You can taste that lemon pepper, plus it has that little sweet tip twist going on. It's so good I can't even talk properly. Oh yeah. Anyway, y'all, definitely give this recipe a try. It's gonna be so worth it. I guarantee you that much. And as you saw,
try this out for yourself.
as you saw, it's quick and easy. Ingredients, affordable. All you need is some chicken, and you're good to go. Anyway, we'll catch you on
The flip side.
on Yo Who's Hungry. Give me that chicken, boy.
No.